Hello, Team FCPS. Over the summer, the Fairfax County School Board approved updates to our boundary policy. This was completed after a comprehensive review of the policy, something that hadn't been done in nearly 40 years. Much has changed in Fairfax County in that time, and we need to be certain that we have the right process in place to plan for the future. These policy changes provide a clear roadmap for any future boundary adjustments, and they address a number of community concerns such as temporary classrooms, instructional program locations, overcrowding, facility renovation timelines, and transportation efficiency. Please know that this process will involve extensive community engagement to be sure that we hear all perspectives on any possible boundary adjustments. Your unique perspectives and insights will be invaluable as we work together to ensure this process is transparent, includes significant community participation and feedback, and always keeps students at the center of every decision. This webpage will continue to have important updates on the process, so be sure to check back often. I look forward to engaging with you in this important work. Together, all things are possible.